A guy randomly checked his Ring video doorbell camera while he was at work. And what he saw made his stomach drop. His girlfriend was supposed to be home alone, but the camera showed another man walking up to the door. She opened and let him inside. They were laughing like nothing was wrong. So the boyfriend kept watching the live footage, waiting to see when the guy would leave. But minutes passed. 10 minutes. 20 minutes. And the man never came back out. Confused, the boyfriend opened the other security cameras inside the house. The living room was empty. The kitchen was empty. Everything looked normal. But then he noticed something strange. The bedroom door slowly started closing by itself. Right before it shut, his girlfriend suddenly ran out of the room screaming. She ran straight out of the house, crying and terrified. He noticed something that made his blood run cold. The man who walked into the house never appeared on any of the other cameras, only on the doorbell camera. And the scariest part, the camera labeled him as familiar face detected.